Hey everyone, Allison here from the Protocase team. Today we're going to talk about different guidelines for caring for your custom enclosures and parts. So here at Protocase, we help you complete your projects faster by bringing your design vision to life. We make your custom enclosures and parts in 2 to 3 days with no minimum order, exactly to your specifications. Because everything is built to print according to your needs, it's especially important to take care of your custom enclosures and parts. Let's go over some specific guidelines for certain types of parts. So first, enclosures and parts with no graphics. If your parts don't have digitally printed or silkscreen graphics on them, you can clean them with isopropyl alcohol, alcohol-based wipes, hand sanitizer, mild soap, degreaser, or even just water. So one caution, you should make sure to use a non-abrasive cloth or sponge. We actually don't recommend using paper towel because it's very abrasive and it will wear off your parts' finishes. Now if your parts have silkscreen or digitally printed graphics, the care instructions are different. So in these cases, you should only use a mild soap or degreaser, such as dish detergent, or even just water. Same rules apply as before. You should only use a non-abrasive cloth or rag. Do not use paper towel. You should not use isopropyl alcohol, alcohol-based wipes, acetone, or hand sanitizer to clean parts with digital print or silkscreen graphics. If you do, you're very likely going to wipe off and wear away your graphics. So I've got some samples in front of me here that all have digitally printed graphics on them. Let's try spraying some isopropyl alcohol on this soft rag, non-abrasive rag, and if I'm really giving this panel a good scrub, you can see that the graphics are still intact, but parts of the blue graphic did rub off on the rag, which is not ideal. For this panel with digitally printed graphics, bare metal, grained finish, let's try using a paper towel with alcohol spray. So again, the graphics didn't completely smear and wear away, but you do see on the paper towel it is rubbing off. So besides taking specific measures to care for your parts if they have graphics or not, there's a few other overall tips I can give you to keep your parts looking great. If your enclosures are going to be primarily sitting on a tabletop, maybe in a test lab or another environment, you should consider using rubber feet. Putting rubber feet on the base of your enclosure is going to help prevent the enclosure and your tabletop from being scratched as the enclosure is moved around. We've covered rubber feet in another Proto Tech tip, which we've linked below. Finally, you may have to transport your custom enclosures and parts to meetings, perhaps with other people in your organization or to meet with investors. In those cases, these bubble envelopes are really great. They come in a wide variety of sizes, and they're a great way to protect the parts while also having them be easily accessible. So after getting your fully finished custom enclosures and parts made to your specifications in the timeline you need, the last thing you want is for something as simple as an abrasive cloth or the wrong cleaning solution to ruin how professional it looks. By using the care instructions I've outlined today, you'll be able to keep your enclosures and parts looking as beautiful as you intended. Thanks very much for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below or email us at info@protocase.com. Thanks for watching.